Hey, it's Andre, and this is the Durafly Night Tundra. I'm waiting for the sun to go down. Be honest, it's up there. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there, and then the magic of what the Night Tundra is all about is going to show up. Yeah, think V2 Tundra with lights. Yes. So if you watch the build video, you'll see that there are red, green, whites on the wings, the tops and bottoms. There's blinking lights. There's nice details on the bottom of it for orientation. There's some white LED lights in the cowl, and then of course the back is all blue. So I'm kind of excited. This is probably something I've been looking for in this aircraft for a very long time. So we're gonna get a flight in or two right now. And then once we get the sun down a little bit further, we'll pop it up again and try and capture some really spectacular demonstration of what this aircraft looks like at night, or in the dusk and dawn and all that good stuff. So I'm Andre, Durafly Night Tundra. Hope you enjoy the flight. Don't actually need the flaps in this high wind. And you can see the lights already. Ha! Liking this new green. A little windy.
4 minutes.
I could almost move the CG a little forward, couldn't I? No, there's a camera up there too. And I'm still getting used to this really nice airplane, but those lights, oh, the white ones show up really good. I can already see the blue. And it's a bit of a direct loop, eh? Not bad. I have flown the Tundra for years, and I'm really happy to have a new, oh, I see the green flashing. There you go. And on the tops, you can sort of see the colors. I'm putting it on the prop a little there. It is actually a little windier than I was expecting. But as the sun goes down, the winds should start dying away, and we should get some nice cruising. I've actually clicked over to my high rates. Don't ask me what they are, but I think I'm just sitting on 30% expos, and it's probably 100% throws at high rates. Flashy, flashy. And I'm just keeping that sunshine to the back of me as much as I can. Woohoo! So the Night Tundra picks up a little bit of weight over the V2. The V1 was probably even lighter, which is what I was very used to, but overall not bad. You can still see the lights really well out far, which is nice. I'm really liking the color though. The color scheme is actually very striking. See if I can pick up the red on a flyby here.
2 minutes.
And yeah, I see the red flash. Okay, that's pretty good. This is gonna be fun once it gets a little darker. So I've got about 4 packs with me, and I have actually reduced my my flight time. I think initially I had 7 minutes, and because I'm running the lights, I've dropped it down to 5, just to account for the extra draw from that. And that's just when you're running those lights. And I did notice when I was building it, it was warm, so they do burn a little bit of energy. And it's going to be strictly a 3S aircraft unless you run the lights on a separate battery pack. It's a 3S aircraft because I think those lights are just rated for that. So it makes sense. And I mean, my goodness, in this day and age, a 3S airplane is just it's a treat. It's cooling down too. I did actually bring a second jacket to deal with the temperatures. It's you know, it's late April, but it's still, we had snow. So, all right, look at that. Slide in through this little pocket here, see how it handles. Feels good.
30 seconds.
All right. Lots of power. I should balance that prop. I always have to balance these props. I never do.
20
All right,
seconds.
coming in. Don't need flaps because there's such a nice headwind. And I'll make sure I come in past that little bump.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
Nice.
3, 2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed.
Gotta let the reverse. There we go. Does take a second to re-engage. You can't just pop it over. Cool. That was about a 5-minute run time, mixed throttle. I'm kind of curious to see what it did on the battery. Perfect. That's really nice. That'll work. 5 minutes is good. Woo! Hey, you really see the blue. All right, coming past us. Nice. And wow. Okay. Red, the green. I see the cowl lights. I see the under lights. Okay. This is cool. This plane is going to see a lot of flying this summer. Oh, all right, nice, slow. Oh, that shows up really good. I'll go higher with the flaps up next time. All right. Come straight past, dump full flaps.
Flaps full.
Okay. Oh, she turned on me. I lost orientation.
Flaps full.
There we go. I put the flaps down in the turn and got a little sink. Little crab towards us. I'll bring up the altitude so you can see the flashing lights. Oh, look at that.
Flaps half. Flaps up.
Oh, let's just throw it around for a sec. Ah, I really like how the color, we've got the blue in the back, which just kicks it up just a tiny bit, but those front lights are very, very distinctive. And then underneath is just a beautiful show of color. I'm gonna bring it from right to left this time. And all I'm gonna do is keep flying. I've got 3 packs in total, and we're just gonna let the sun go down a little bit more. Gonna come right past us. Ooh, do that again. Some left and rights, and as the sunlight keeps going down, the cameras might not pick up as much, but you'll get the idea of just what this airplane looks like. I can track it nice, so that's really good. I really like the top lights, and then how they morph into the front wing. Very cool. And you really pick up that blue in the tail. I was thinking I wanted like flashing lights in the tail rudder or something like that, but I don't think you need it. So my timer's set for 5 minutes. Normally I would have a 7. Without the lights I'd run 7, but with the lights I want the power, well, you're putting a lot of power into the batteries. Woohoo! Look low. Low and fast. Smooth linear acceleration off that 12x6 prop. And again, so this plane is about 70 grams heavier versus the V2, and that's just with the lights, and the airframe doesn't care. 3S2200 battery, really awesome. And that sun's just coming down. You should be able to see that with the onboard. Here, go by this way. Just so you can see the sunset. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna land. We're gonna wait a little tiny bit longer. Well, actually no, I think I will stick the other batteries in, and then by the third battery, the sun should be completely gone, and we'll get just this glimpse of what the light looks like in the dark. All right. Bouncy, bouncy, bounce, a little bit of rudder. Steer it back home.
30 seconds. Throttle hold.
Cool. Okay, sun setting. It's time for the last flight of the evening with the Night Tundra. Look at that thing. That's so awesome. I think this will be the last one. Very similar to the last flight, just a little couple of orbits. And I'll try not to lose my orientation. Oh, nice. I like the back, that you can see it, and then this. So if you ever get in trouble, just, pull up a little bit. But I'm not gonna run any flaps, because that's where I got in trouble last time. Well, I dumped them and then turned, and that really messed me up, but. Oh, wow. Okay, gonna come down, bring it in low, right past the cameras. That's beautiful. Oh, wow, look, you can see the lights on the deck now, on the ground. When it goes by, I'll come back from the forest towards us, and you'll see on the ground, when I get low enough, that you'll see the lights. Too fast on that one, but you can see the light. That's awesome. And I'm really starting to see the separation on the blue LEDs in the back. Like it's almost like compartmentalized. And then I really see the flashing lights now. And like I said, on a 3S2200 with the lights on, I'm getting about 5 minutes of timing. And it's pretty respectable as far as, throttle input. But I'm just flying nice and smooth as the light goes away. Oh, that is really pretty back there. Power, climb. I'm fogging my own glasses up. Right over our heads. Beautiful. Do a big old climb. Climb, climb, climb. I didn't give it enough power. Wow. High enough up, and look at that. Camera probably won't see that at all, but that's very, very easy to tell my orientation. Again, green on the right, red on the left. Pretty plane. I'm gonna stand this way and I'm gonna go over top of us because I want to get a bit of that sunset view. Look at that. Ha! That is amazing. All right. 1 or 2 more orbits and I think it'll be time to land. Wow.
2 minutes.
Yeah, we're just gonna do another really nice slow and low. See if I can really see the the lights on the deck when it comes down. Yeah. That's what it's all about. What a plane. All right. Loop. Fast pass. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. All right, coming in for landing from the school. Oh, wow. The Night Tundra, the Durafly Night Tundra is probably going to see a ton of flying action this summer because this is pretty darn impressive. Now, at night, got to remember your depth perception is probably a little weaker. That is awesome. That is quite the plane. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Whew. So, I'm Andre, and that is the Durafly Night Tundra. Check it out from hobbyking.com. What can I say? All the goodness of the Tundra with built-in LED lights. What else could we ask for? Again, I'm Andre. Thanks for watching Durafly Night Tundra. All right, a little bonus footage. Okay, it's getting really dark. So I'm just gonna do a couple really slow flybys. It's funny, I'm noticing the tree at the end. It's like, ooh. Oh, what a plane. I love this thing.
2 minutes.
I love the fact that you get a light cast on the ground. All right, bringing it in. I love night planes.